Sunday. Folks, I'm back at it again. Can you see where I'm at? I'm out here at the Narrows of the Harpeth, about to do some floating and fishing. Got my folks out here. Got my brother Courtney out here with me.
What's up, what's up?
First time on the channel. We got Brenda, we got Sean down here putting in. We're about to go out here and tear them up. Appreciate you all tuning in once again. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and also hit that thumbs up. That helps people find my videos, all right? About to get into it. Let's do it. Yeah, watch how you facing too, because you see those trees? You need to paddle forward. Try avoid the trees and stuff, and do it before you get there, because you're not going to be able to turn as fast as you think you are. So see, you got to avoid that stuff. Wait before you get there. Back paddle.
Back paddle?
Yeah, back paddle. Hard, bro. I know, back paddle. Don't worry about the tree. The tree ain't going nowhere, I promise you. Paddle straight out. Don't worry about the tree or none of that. Paddle straight out. Good. Don't worry about that. You handled it well, man. You didn't tip over. A lot of people would have panicked and tipped over because they're scared to be in that tree. Look at this 20-inch smallmouth right here. 20.5 inches. Man, he is a monster. Would you catch him on?
Helger Mike.
Man.
Nico Helger Mike.
Doing work. Yeah, I'm about to fish right now. That's exactly what I'm about to do. Gotcha. Yeah. Whew. Fish number one, folks. Gotcha. I got you. You don't have to tail slap me like that, bro. I'm just trying to free you. Appreciate you getting on, fella. We were recording, folks. Fish number one of the day. Oh, no. It's a little spotted bass. Appreciate him. Got something going on his back there. We're gonna get you back, buddy. Peace. Oh, he was a spotted bass. It didn't get hot and stagnant though. There's a little breeze right there. How's it going? Take him. Oh. Yeah, he got off. And I just lost the rock bass, dropping him in the water. I'm gonna count him though. That's dope. All right, congratulations, bro. Now I gotta fish the Helger Mite tomorrow. I can't believe I let that rock bass just drop back in the water.
Yeah, anything like that.
Oh, now 17.5-inch fish ain't good enough for you, huh? Got all high and mighty now. It was only 19. Oh, come on. It's all good. It's all good. I'm having a great time. I'm having fun. Don't matter I'm getting hung up. Nah, I'm just gonna bring it around to the right side so I can get more leverage on it. Try to push it down in there. Hopefully it'll come off. Yeah, it should come off. It don't feel like it's hooked in a tree or nothing like that. So yeah, it's just a rock. So appreciate it though. All right, turn yourself. Turn. Deep. Well, no, you got it. You got it. You turn yourself. You good. You good. So. Oh shit. Hey. You good? I got you. Pull over to the side. Yeah, I got it. I got your backpack too.
I'm serious.
Man.
I'm serious, bro.
You had a whole pack of water in here? I said, you had a whole pack of water in here? You tripping. I'm glad you prepared, though. Yeah, I got your hat. Hey, you covered well, though, bro. Yeah, that's why.
I was just leaning too far.
Yeah, you can't lean in there.
Way. When I was digging.
So how you feeling after your first flip?
Hey man,
on the kayak?
That was awesome, man. That was awesome. Awesome sauce. It goes with the territory.
Hey, congratulations, bro.
Yes, sir.
I said you recovered well. All right. So you went in up there. Your poles probably sank pretty much immediately. I said you went in up there. Your poles probably sank pretty much immediately.
Okay.
You ain't got nothing else in your pocket you care about, do you?
I got my wallet in there, but it's okay now. It's wet.
You should take that out and put it in the boat. A little bit dangerous. I don't think this will be too bad right here, though. I think we can do this. This is doable. All right, so I'm gonna let you go in first. Hey, come up here first, though. Don't waste all your energy trying to walk through there. You probably want to start right here where you tipped over. I'm trying to look through the water first. See if I see a hole or something. So, you did? All right.
Some of these rocks slippery than hell.
Be careful. Bend down real carefully. Make sure you got your balance and your center of gravity. Yeah.
I don't know if that's it. Oh, no.
You found it?
It's a big rock right there.
All right. Come back, man.
Hey, man. Them poles ain't worth that, bro. Them poles ain't worth that.
Let me try one time, though.
Oh, it might be right over in there. Mm-hmm. Water's just a little bit too swift.
Yeah. The water's there, sweeping down there. If I try to get in there.
Yeah. It ain't worth it, bro.
The water, backpedal hard. Yeah, good job. Good job. You out here? All right, folks, that does it for this one. We're gonna head up out of here. It was a fun day. It was a rough day of fishing, though. Had fun out here with my brother, a couple of friends, Sean and Brendan. We'll probably be out here very soon. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. That helps people find these videos, all right? Remember, folks, there's a lot of river out there. Catch you on the next boat flip. Peace.